Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance app. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open up your Binance application into your device. And from here guys, in order for you to buy crypto, just simply go ahead and go to the market over here on the bottom left corner of the screen. So guys, make sure you are on the market. And from here, you should be able to see the Bitcoin. So just tap on that. And from here, you should be able to see the stats of Bitcoin right now. And from here, down below, you will be able to see buy at the bottom left. From here, guys, you have two options to buy. You can pay using buy cash or buy a crypto over here. So it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm going to go for money and I'm just gonna provide the amount. Let's say I'm gonna go for 3,000, and from here you can change the currency as well, and just simply select the currency that you have. And after that, guys, just simply tap on down below buy. And since I don't have a verified account yet, I won't be able to show you. But if you have a verified account, you should be able to tap on buy down below over here. And after that, guys, just simply select a payment method that you prefer. And from there, just provide the necessary information in order for you to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.